Have you ever imagined the ground moving beneath your feet? It may sound impossible, but the Earth is never completely still. Deep below the surface, our planet is made of enormous pieces called tectonic plates. These giant sections of rock are always moving very slowly. Most of the time, we cannot feel this movement at all, but sometimes these plates push against each other and get stuck. Pressure begins to build deep inside the rocks, almost like a giant spring being squeezed tighter and tighter. And then, suddenly, the pressure releases. The rocks break or slip, and all that stored energy rushes outward through the ground in powerful waves. These waves travel through the earth and shake the surface above them. That shaking is called an earthquake. The point underground where the earthquake begins is called the focus. The place directly above it on the surface is called the epicenter. Some earthquakes are so small that people cannot feel them. Scientists use special instruments called seismographs to detect even the tiniest vibrations of the earth. Other earthquakes can be strong enough to move buildings, crack roads, and change the shape of the land. But earthquakes are not only destructive forces. Over millions of years, the movement of tectonic plates has helped create mountains, valleys, and entire continents. The same powerful forces that cause earthquakes are also shaping the planet we live on. Scientists study earthquakes carefully to understand where plates move and how energy builds up. This knowledge helps people design safer buildings and prepare for future earthquakes. Even when the ground feels solid and steady, the Earth is always moving, always changing deep below the surface. Isn't it incredible that our planet is alive with motion beneath our feet? Science is everywhere around us.